Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a handy kitchen gadget that can make your meal prep a breeze, the Cuisinart Large Salad Spinner. We found this product online, and we've placed the link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Cuisinart Large Salad Spinner? This 5-quart capacity spinner is designed to wash, spin, and dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables with ease. Whether you're prepping a fresh salad for lunch or rinsing off some berries for dessert, this spinner is a game changer in the kitchen. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this product. First and foremost, it's all about convenience. The Cuisinart Salad Spinner allows you to wash and spin dry your produce effortlessly. The easy-to-use spin knob facilitates a quick and efficient spinning action. You simply fill the bowl with your greens or vegetables, add water, and spin away. Plus, you can conveniently add and drain water without having to remove the lid, making the process even smoother. Another great feature is the secure locking mechanism. The spinner is designed to lock tightly during operation, ensuring that you won't have any unexpected messes while you're spinning your greens. Speaking of messes, the non-skid base keeps the bowl stable on your countertop, allowing you to focus on your food prep without worrying about any unwanted movement. What makes this salad spinner particularly versatile is its clear base, which doubles as a serving bowl. This means you can wash your salad and serve it in the same dish, cutting down on the number of dishes you need to clean up afterward. It's a small yet thoughtful design feature that many home cooks will appreciate. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys cooking at home, especially if you love fresh salads, this salad spinner is a must-have. It's perfect for families, meal preppers, or anyone looking to add more vegetables and fruits to their diet. If you often find yourself washing greens for salads or rinsing fruits for snacks, you'll love how quickly the Cuisinart Salad Spinner gets the job done. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine it's a busy weeknight, and you want to whip up a quick salad. Instead of spending time washing and drying your greens with a towel, an often tedious process, you can simply place them in the Cuisinart Salad Spinner. After a quick wash, a few spins, and voila! Your greens are clean and ready to go. Or perhaps you're hosting a weekend brunch. You can prepare a large batch of mixed greens or even wash and dry fresh herbs to garnish your dishes. The 5-quart capacity means you can tackle larger portions, making it ideal for gatherings or family meals. In summary, the Cuisinart Large Salad Spinner is a practical and efficient tool that can simplify your food prep, save you time, and keep your kitchen organized. Its user-friendly design, combined with stability and versatility, makes it an excellent addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.